Sophia Noor, the Somali female version of Professor from Money Heist, has pulled off one of the greatest heists and got away with $11 million from celebrities without a single trace. She has been trending all over the internet right now from different parts of the world, and now she is one of the greatest scammers of this generation. But how did she do it? And who is she exactly? In this video, we are going to look at the true story of Sophia and everything you need to know about. So without further ado, let's get started.
Monkey.
So the number one question is, who is Sophia Noor? To be honest, right now nobody has enough information about this lady. She hid her profile like a pro. She deleted everything about her from the face of the internet. Nobody's even sure if her real name is Sophia in the first place. She knew exactly what she was doing and she had a great plan. And her plan really worked out. As far as we know right now is that Sophia Noor is a Somali Canadian lady who had a plan. Sophia Noor knew exactly how to get the money. And this plan that she had made her move from Canada to Los Angeles, where so many celebrities and influencers live. She pretended to be a victim of tragedy. She knew that for her to get to people of upper class, she had to start from very low. What Sophia did is that she, first of all, became friends with people who knew famous people. She will get into parties, she will get into different houses from different celebrities without being noticed. And once she gets the money from this person she's just scammed, she will completely disappear and this person will not able to find her anywhere again.
I want everybody to know that this Sophia thinks that she can fucking get over on people, but what she don't know is that I will literally make her life a fucking living hell.
So Sophia Noor, nobody really knows anything about her aside from the fact that she's been doing this shit for 2 years and that she's from Toronto. The way that she got started with this stuff is basically she started going up to influencers and being like, "Hi, I'm Sophia, I know so and so," and they were just eating that shit up. They're like, "Okay, great." You know what I mean? Didn't question her, didn't really do anything. Instead of, like asking other influencers like, "Hey, do you know this person?" Or like they claim that they know you, like this and the third. People just took her word for it.
She even claimed to be pregnant for Jack Harlow, one of the most well-known rappers right now. She also claimed that she was best friends with Drake and so many other celebrities. So many people say that she was seen in Drake's house and other celebrities, and nobody know exactly how she got to these houses.
And she stated that she was coming to the UK for a PR tour and needed a place to stay. She claimed she worked for Anwar Hadid and she also worked for OVO. Throughout 2 months, she claimed that her credit cards weren't working and that she needed help paying for things, and her cousin, because she was family, believed it and did it.
Apparently, there is one single video of Sophia Noor on the internet, but it is unclear where and when the video was taken, and nobody is even sure where the video came from. On the night of November 18th, 2021, the hashtag Surviving Sophia took over the internet. This led to many people discovering that they were scammed by the same person and they didn't even know it. The most important piece of background evidence about Sophia Noor comes from a Twitter user in the name of Halima. Halima claims to be the cousin to Sophia. This is what she had to say in her Twitter. She said that Sophia Noor held fake jobs, fake bank statements, fake credit cards. Her life was completely fake. Halima also shares so many screenshots and emails with clients and celebrities. And she has been trying to track down Sophia, which she was never successful. To be honest, in my opinion, this is a very artistic way of scamming people. It takes knowledge and plan and skill to pull this off. She wanted to be seen famous and important in the eyes of other people. The fact that she scammed people who knew each other, and these people didn't even realize it was Sophia who was scamming them. So that's all about Sophia Noor right now. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like, subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.